Hello guys, I feel sad today because the biggest tilapia in the fish pond died today. And look, see, the reason why is because I overfeed them. See, I put too much, and the biggest one is eating too much, and then it died this afternoon. And it is my first time raising a fish, a tilapia, and next time I will not overfeed them ever again.
Fish died.
No.
See, the fish died.
See,
The
that
biggest
one
fish
floating there
tilapia
is
in
dead.
the fish pond died. I'm going to get it. I was sad. And
Wait, show
look,
it to
I
me.
will show you.
My God.
See,
See?
the reason why is like what I told you a while ago.
Look at his tummy. It's very big.
I
Oh.
overfeed
Could
them.
he eat a
And
lot?
see, the tummy is big now. And I can't hold it that it died. Look, see,
Big
the
na.
the tummy is bloated.
No. He's gonna do
Very
that.
big now.
And it's very big now. See? I am very sad because we have a first mortality. He died or she died from overfeed. And see, his tummy is very big because he eat too much.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm very sad. But the others are still alive. They're still alive.
I'm not scared anymore.
It's dead.